In this video, we're going to talk about how you can withdraw money from IC Markets. Now, in order to withdraw money from IC Markets, you will first need to apply for and get a real account. So here, if you want to apply for a real account or live account, you will need to go through the verify your account section. It is going to assess you, and if you are eligible for an account, then you will have to answer all of the questions here. There are going to be personal questions as well as some test questions to see if you are fit for trading. And afterwards, if you want to withdraw your money from the left hand side, you will just click on withdraw, and then right here you will choose the withdrawal method. Usually it's going to be the same withdrawal method which you use to deposit funds into your live account, and you will just type the amount, and that is how you withdraw money from IC Markets. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.